So this morning we're going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. We're stuck in a little bit of a traffic jam at the moment. And this is my driver here. Hello,
Sukhdev.
driver.
Sukhdev. My name Sukhdev. Driver. My job here, India, 20 years my job.
So he's been driving in around this area for 20 years, yeah?
20 years, yeah. 20 years job.
Okay. So there are lots of people about this morning, as you can see, and they're on their way to work. Yeah, we've got all the tuk-tuks here. And it's very busy, as you can see.
You metro station here.
Yeah, we're right in the
metro station.
We're in the city centre, yeah. So it's quite busy, as you can see.
Rickshaw. RK Ashram metro station.
Oh, that's the metro station.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sukhdev. So, how far have we got to go to Agra?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yes.
So we've been driving roughly about 1 hour now.
Yeah, no traffic here, only express highway road.
Yeah, so the traffic has thinned out now, as you can see. It's around 20 degrees and getting warmer, a little bit hazy. So, Sukhdev, tell me, what are these on the dashboard?
Hanuman. Very good luck. But then Ganesha is very good luck.
Very good luck.
Hanuman, very good body.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Ganesh, the other one, Ganesh.
Yeah, Ganesha. Father is Shiva.
Okay.
Ganesha, son, father is Shiva.
So we've got about another 2 hours drive before we get to Agra. So I'll see you later, guys. So we're just at the toll point here, going into Agra. As you can see, there are lots of people going through the checkpoint at the moment, on the buses, cars.
Hello sir, my name is Sukhdev Sharma. From Delhi driver sir. Yes, I will send you the WhatsApp.
Okay, what's up?
Mine here, but
Okay, so we've just gone through the
10 kilometers to Agra.
toll point, and it's 10 kilometers to Agra.
Agra.
Okay. So we're nearly there now. That's Agra. So we're just getting into the Agra town now, Agra city centre. I'll just show you a little bit of that. We've just got a little bit of traffic again. Nah.
No, normal traffic.
Normal traffic, okay. It's a,
right side JP Palace. Five-star hotel JP Palace.
right.
I will start. JP Palace.
They were Iranian. So when the Taj was completed, they decided to live near the Taj Mahal. So the King Shahjahan gave the house of the all Iranis workers just behind of the south gate. So nowadays their family members still living over there, and they come on Friday for the restoration. That's why it's closed on Friday.
Okay. So we've just got through the security checkpoints, and they've let me in with the camera, but they're not too happy with the microphone. Okay.
And keep looking, the left hand side is such a beautiful royal entrance gate. So now look at such a beautiful royal entrance gate.
Right.
And on the top of the gate we can see the 11 white marble dome in the front and 11 just behind. So total dome is 22. To symbolize the whole complex were completed 22 years with the help of 20,000 workers who work every day over here. And they were not slaves, he paid for everyone.
And what's the name of this entrance? This is the...
This is called the main entrance.
This is the main entrance gate, yeah?
We enter in Taj Mahal through the west gate.
Yeah, and this is the central axis.
Yes.
Okay. You go through.
background, clean sky, and doesn't look like a 400 years old. And we are allowed to go inside of the white building where we can see the tomb of the king and queen.
Okay. We're just walking around the palace gardens now. Lots of people here today, and it's really warm. I think we're going to find some shade where Summit just tells me a little bit of the history about the mausoleum itself.
It's going warm. It seems like arches.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're on the steps here, the main entrance. You can see the sheer size of it when you get closer to it. That's the main entrance there. Probably won't be able to take the photos inside. But, so there you can see the main grounds in the background there, just behind me. It's standing right on the entrance. And there you can see the main entrance behind me there. Okay, so we're on the rear side of the palace here. Just look at the top, this is the entrance to the back. Just have a look, walk around the side. Yeah. You can just see the river in the background there. Okay, so that was Taj Mahal. I've just come out now. You ought to be sensitive of where you film and where you can't film. So I hope you got a good idea of what it's about. And so now I'm just going to go and get something to eat. Just one last look at the palace.
Tiger eye from Sri Lanka. So these all are the stones used in Taj Mahal. The artist, with the help of these stones,
Yeah.
the grinding wheel like this to make flowers. Like right hand he rotates the wheel and second hand he holds the small pieces and then he cutting. See how small pieces.
Oh
he
yes,
holds?
I can see it. Yeah, yeah,
Yes. And then
Yeah.
he cutting
Right.
to
Okay.
make a flower like this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
In this flower, 27 pieces.
Right.
All the pieces separate. One by one, artist can hold in the two fingers like this way after he cutting.
Right.
You want to touch and feel?
Okay. Yeah.
So the one person make flower like this. After another person, all the flowers engraving in white marble. How? Other artists take the white makrana. That's the same white marble used in Taj. This white marble came from Rajasthan, from India.
Right.
On the white surface, we apply henna color. You know the henna?
Yes.
It's a dye. We apply henna on the white because if we do the design with this point which is on white, it's hard to see. Same thing if we try with the henna, it's easy to see design. After we take flowers, so we chisel out the marble like this much deep. Once the cavities are complete, then we check the pieces perfectly fit or not. Once they fix perfectly, then we use natural glue. This is same natural glue used in Taj Mahal.
Wow. And all this is handmade, yeah? Oh, wow. Beautiful. Very good. Yeah, the elephants as well, elephants,
Yes.
cups, plates. Oh, a chess set over there as well. How long it take you to make something like that?
Always on the one piece, two artists will work. One
Right.
is chasing out the marble and one cutting the stones. This
Right.
piece, like 4-month job by 2 artists.
4 months by two people?
2 people.
Wow. Look at the elephants there as well, they're beautiful. A vase. And do you import these, sell them all over the world?
We don't import, we do personal delivery.
Export, I mean, sorry, you don't
No
sell it?
export.
No export, no, okay. And a Buddha, you've got a Buddha down there. Chess sets. Okay, so I've just come for something to eat now in this lovely restaurant. Just waiting for my food. So I have ordered the mutton stew there at 620 rupees. And I've also had a murg mak and wala, which is a butter chicken curry. Also had a garlic naan and a bottle of Kingfisher beer. So that's my food, just turned up. That's the mutton stew. And there's the butter chicken, and there's my garlic naan bread and the glass of beer. So I'm going to eat this now and see what it's like later. So this is the restaurant, the Prince of Spice. And here's the waiter here, look, who served me. And your name? What's? Okay, and this is the waiter who served me the food here. Yeah, and as you can see, I've finished all my food, so I can highly recommend it. I had the butter chicken, mutton stew and the garlic bread, which came to 470 rupees. That's about £14. So very good value. We had a bottle of beer as well, which you can see. I've nearly finished. It's there's nobody in at the moment. There were a couple of people in, but it's early in the evening, early in the day, sorry. So there's not many people here at the moment, but it will get filled up later. So I can highly recommend, if you're in Agra, near the Taj Mahal, the Prince of Spice restaurant. Okay, so we're just back from Agra, back in Delhi now. The drive took about 3 hours. Just back to the hotel. Just back to the hotel there. So, yes, there's Sukhdev, my driver. Yes. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and join us again for the next one. Bye for now.
Tomorrow 10 o'clock. Yes.